Hi my lovely viewers, this is Hello IT World Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to set or insert waterfall chart in Microsoft Word in Windows 11. So for this case we will go to or open a Word file. So Word file has varying lots of information, so lots of settings we wanna change or we wanna insert or set chart. So here chart the waterfall chart has been revealed here. This if when we click this and OK, and the information or the chart has been revealed according to this information. So in this way we can settings or we can insert any kinds of table, sorry not table, any kinds of chart. So here the style that we can change from the here, as well as in above we can settings or we can change the designs black sign. See, in this way we cannot do it easily. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Hopefully this tutorial will help you so much.